Okay, fourth graders, this is Mrs. Nelson, and we're going to be looking at finding the image. So we have to identify first in complementary angles. Complementary means that we have a 90-degree angle that's been cut. Okay, so these are all complementary angles. Those are complementary. So they equal 90 degrees, or they're a right angle, but they've been cut. Okay, as you notice, this 90 degrees, so this is 90 degrees and it's been cut. This is 90 degrees and been cut. 90 degrees cut. So they've all been cut. Okay, so that's what that means. Now, what you are trying to do in this lesson here is you are trying to figure out what are the different angles. Okay, because we have we have three different angles here that they could possibly be. You have one angle, two angles, and three angles. And these are all the same thing. And it's saying that we need to find and click on the image below to find the angle. When it sees that little alligator, that means angle of. That's the angle of. And it's saying G or HGJ. Okay, so we're looking for the inside angle. We're looking for the angle of HGJ. Now, when we look at them, we have to follow the directions. This is telling us that we go from, first we go to H, then we go to G, then we go to J. So which one of these follows that path? Well, let's look at it. So if I look at this guy, this one starts, it could start at F to G to H, and then everything in between. That's the whole thing. Well, that's not what we're looking for, because I'm not, or this one could be H to G to F. This one could be F, G, H, or it could be H, G, F. It doesn't matter. They're the same angle because it's covering everything in here. Okay, now let's look at the second angle. Same shape, just different. Same angle, 90 degrees total. So we have here, this one says we're going from F to G to J. So we're going F to G to J, which is possible. Or you could do this, you could go from J to G to F. So J to G to F, and they're the same thing. They're just there, and it's the whole thing right there. Okay? So this and this does not match this, so that doesn't work. This one was F, G, H, or H, G, F. And that doesn't work either. So those don't work. So that means that we have to look at this one. So let's look at it. We're going to start with J. So J. And then we're going to go to G. And then we're going to go to H. Well, that one looks closer. Now let's look at it and go the other direction. Just in case. We can go the other direction. So we're going to start at H. Go to G, go up to J. Oh, that matches. That matches. So this is the one that I'm going to click on to pick my answer. I'm going to click that guy. See how he highlighted? If I click that guy, he highlights. I'm going to click this guy. And then I'm going to check my answer. Ta-da! I haven't set the answer, but this is the answer. This is HGJ. That's the angle of HGJ. And there's a reason why I want you guys to find these, because once you know what the angles are that you're looking for, then you can find the missing angles, which will happen next, but not today. We'll probably add that on tomorrow. All right, so have fun looking for the different angles. I'll see you on the next video.